Guys, 2025 Beast F-250 6.6 liter gasser truck. And the massive wheels, they still look small on it. They're 38 by 15.5 by 20, and they still look freaking tiny. That is crazy because it's such a big truck. Anywho, let me show you guys what we've done. Cat there, cat there. Wise inside the muffler into a single. There's the first resonator slash muffler, whatever you want to call it. It's a dual in, single out, 3-inch pipe. Then what we did is install the Carven R. Part number CVER 3.0. 3-inch in, 3-inch out. There was a resonator there that we took off and added the Carven in its place. And then the muffler, we took it off and replaced it with pipe. Left that baby resonator just for, you know, it's a pain in the butt to take off anyways. So we usually just leave it. It doesn't really affect much. Then we did a custom half of the tailpipe to make this tip fit nice and clean out the back right there. As you guys can see, nice and clean. 3-inch inlet, 4-inch outlet, double walled black tip. Nice and clean. All right, there we go. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, like, comment, and that subscribe. All right, guys. 2024 Ford F-350 STX. The guy was saying he didn't know if they come in this package. Basically, the STX, it's got everything other than the bells and whistles of the Lariat. So it's like a workhorse with the nice outer appearance look. It's clean. Look at this thing. It's a beast. Anyways, let me show you guys what we've done. So it's got factory converter there. Did you hear the sound? Factory converter there. It's really low. And then what we did is usually there's a resonator there or a muffler. We took it off and straight typed it all the way through with 2.5 other than the X pipe. There's the X pipe right there. Then 2.5-inch pipe goes all the way back. And then it goes over the rear end. And he didn't want the dual look out on each side. He doesn't like that, as you guys can see. So he took it over the rear end. We took it over and put it out the side. On one side. It's a nice clean look. Came out really pretty. He's going to do a lift kit next. Barely has any miles on it. Just came out really nice, really clean. There it is. Good looking truck. Ford Super Duty. What do you guys think of that look? Would you rather have 2 out on one side or 1 on each side, like here and here? That's the usual, but I like it this way too. I like it too. It's clean. Anyways, this is where the resonator comes in with 2 in, 1 out. And what he was talking about is it's really, really congested in there. So it chokes the truck, this one right here. So he always recommends you take that off. He did a lot of research. He said, if nothing else, take this one off because it's choking the truck. You'll gain like 15, 20 horsepower by just taking that off. Anyways, there's 3-inch pipe right there. Then the stock muffler's right there. As you guys can see, offset. And then there's that gigantic tailpipe out the back with a baby resonator in the middle too. We took all that off and replaced it. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. All right, guys, here we go. 2025 F-250 Super Duty gasser 6.6 liter. Go ahead with Carven R. Like that. Sounds very good. Your sound decibels, go ahead. Right at 103. Let it idle. This one has a big resonator. We took all that off, and it still has a big resonator on it. There still has one like that one right there on top. Again. That's clean. Carven up. One more. What do you think, Mr. Carlos? Do you like the sound?
It sounds very good.
All right.
Love it.
He likes it. Go ahead and back it out. And if you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. There's a beautiful shop right down the street from Skyline Hospital on Dickerson Pike. Our address is 3560 Dickerson Pike. Got that beautiful X6 for this guy. He has a beautiful car. He's gonna take me for a ride in it. You gonna take me for a ride? Okay, cool. It's pushing 900 horsepower, guys. That's crazy. back to this fat truck. Look at this thing. It is massive. The guy didn't want it too loud, so we put him that Carven just to tame it and left the resonator on it for him. Think of that tone. Let me know in the comments. That's a lot cleaner looking. Look at that. Came out like that. I like it. It's custom. And it's low. This thing takes the whole lift up. How long is this truck? Do you know?
I don't know. That's 4.8 foot bed, so it's
yeah. And he came down all the way from Missouri, so we appreciate it. Come on down and see us anytime. Go ahead. Oh, yeah. This is idle, guys. Cold start idle. Right at 100. This is when it settles down. Right at 88, 89. Sounds so good. Give it gas. I got a pop. Wow, that sounds phenomenal. Again. 118, guys. Go ahead again. 119. It's almost at 120. I like that pop. Yeah, it sounds phenomenal. That 2.5 really complements it nicely. We were gonna do 3-inch, but it's really tight after on the rear end, after the rear end. So we went with 2.5. Okay. Anyways, back to recording. They put a loudspeaker inside in the grill.
Yeah. Oh, really?
Yeah. Those ones that we use for the alarm. See the one in the alarm?
Yeah. Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, it's clean.
I'm glad I have the longer tips.
Yeah. This is the long bit too.
Yeah.
Jeez. What do you do?
Trying to get into tree work.
Oh, that sounds phenomenal. Yeah, it sounds clean. You guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, 3560 Dickerson Pike. There's our phone number if you guys ever want to give us a call. Again? Yeah, what a workhorse. All right, stay tuned, guys. I'm going to let you guys hear on the inside. I was telling you guys there's a baby resonator. It's got a baby resonator there, a big muffler, and that was the tailpipe on it that we took off. He's gonna drive it to the gravel lot. Look at that stance on this beast. I like it. I'm thinking about switching to Ford, guys. I don't know. I like how big this truck is. But I don't know. I don't know, is there a lot of modifications you can do to these trucks? So here we go, F-250 guys, with a Carven R. Mid resonator delete, we kept the big resonator for now. We might take it off later. And a dual tip out the back. Here we go. What a massive truck, I love it. I love the wheel setup on it, it's so clean. That's a good looking truck right there. I like it. I think it needs to be louder. What do you guys think? I think it needs to be a tad louder. I think we need to take that front resonator off. We'll see if he comes back for it. This sucker's so long, he's gonna probably do a 3-point turn to be able to get it out of here. That's a true work truck though. This sucker's huge. How much I have to back up to get it in the camera. I like that look though. Came out nice. Anyway, with the longer 18-inch tips. So all you see is black, which looks really clean. You gotta put a lift kit on it next. Wow, very nice. I like it.